Hey friends, so I'm here with Jordan and Kate. So, Powell, big news coming. Since last time that we spoke, who have you announced? Because
literally everyone.
I know.
There's so many.
I want to know who's coming, who you're excited about, everything. Tell me the whole shebang. I'm going to cook you some tasty pasta.
Well, since the last video we didn't have anyone announced.
Yeah.
So since then, and our first announcement was Maccabee, Ronnie Lee.
Yeah, Ronnie, Kerry.
Jonah Weinhofen.
Yes.
And maybe one others. But then since then we've had JME, the rapper, which so many people are excited about.
Which is a massive announcement.
Yeah.
I was so excited when that was announced, bro.
Yeah.
Just seeing him tweet the camp out flyer on his
crazy.
like,
Oh really?
Yeah.
What's
Nice.
going on?
Yeah, that's super nice to see.
Yeah, so we had JME, Melanie Joy, who again a lot of people are excited about. Ingrid Newkirk, founder of Peter. She's like a hero of mine.
Peter Hammerschmidt.
Yeah, from Sea Shepherd.
Oh, Neil.
Oh yeah, Neil
Barnard.
Neil Barnard, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so many exciting names.
So who, in terms of the people who are coming, like in terms of the actual campers,
Yeah.
who have they been most excited about? Who have you had the most buzz around?
Well, because all the speakers, like, they're known for so many different things.
Yeah.
Like people who are really into music, obviously, are really excited about JME. The activists are very excited for Ronnie Lee, the founder of ALF.
There were lots of people excited about Neil Barnard, weren't they?
Yeah.
When we announced it, I thought that everyone would be just super hyped for Jamie, but yeah, lots of people like, yeah, Neil.
Yeah, because he's one of the big plant-based doctors, right? Yeah. Along with Michael Greger, and we want to try and get
Which
one
is
of
so
those as well.
important. I mean, those guys have been such a refreshing wave of people that have really spoken out about
Conspiracy, what the hell. And Melanie Joy as well, people are really excited to see.
I think I'm probably most excited for her. I remember reading her book and being like, oh, her style of arguing is so good, and her TED Talk. I show her TED Talk to everybody, so it's going to be great to see her actually in person. And I missed out on seeing her when she toured in the UK, and I missed it.
Yeah, because I invited you to that.
So I'm really glad that I get to see her because she's really cool. And she's one of these fountain of youth people, because she said she's like 50, but she looks younger than me. So.
Yeah, she looks so young.
One thing that every vegan can agree on is that the most important thing is food.
Yeah.
So who's going to be there from food side of things?
We've made the decision that we're not telling anyone who's going to be there about food.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're keeping it until the day when people arrive, and there's an extra wave of things to be excited for on the day, because obviously we've got our announcement coming up soon for the final lineup, but then we want there to be something that people can still look forward to after that, and it's going to be the food. But we've got around 25 food vendors, so we're going to make sure
a lot more than last year.
Yeah.
The queues won't be as long as they were in 2017, so that's going to be.
Yeah, I don't know if we're going to do it for next year as well, but we're just trying it for this year, keeping it total secret.
Yeah.
And then people walk through the door, walk straight over to the food, and they're like, oh my god, there's this, there's that.
And that's good. You'll have that nice little buzz when everyone's looking around all the different vendors and working out who's there. And stuff.
Especially the desserts, we've got some really good dessert stuff. Well, they know there's going to be desserts there. So.
Ooh, okay.
Because we're such a new festival, we've still got some things that we're trialing each year to see like what's best to like hype up for, what's best to keep a secret, like how much to share. It's all very early days still.
So it's a new venue this year, right?
Yeah.
Okay, where's it at?
Newark Showground.
Okay.
Obviously in Newark, every year we've had to have a new venue just because we keep outgrowing the last one. But with this one, we've finally got a venue that can allow us to actually grow in size, because it's just so big.
There's this big it's buildings that we can fill with speakers. It's not going to be marquees and things, like there's actual structures that we can fill, and some of them hold hundreds and hundreds of people, so maybe next year we can scale it to using all of the facility, but we're going to occupy about, is it half of it?
Yeah, about half of it. But yeah, so we have that for the next 3 years. We'll see if we're going to carry on with them after that, if we're going to get a new venue.
In the camp out, would you ever consider branching out to different countries as well?
Yeah,
is that something that could be in the pipeline for the future? How would you?
I've had a lot of countries approach me saying that I should either set one
countries
up there.
themselves, like prime ministers. Okay, cool. No, Donald Trump has been on the blower.
Yeah, me and Trump have been talking a bit.
Yeah.
But no, yeah, people have said we should set one up in another country or like franchise it out.
Yeah.
But it would just be so much stress right now.
Maybe in 5 years' time, but we already have people travelling from like dozens of countries, don't they?
Yeah,
yeah, that's what I found amazing last time. There was so many people from so many places in the world.
How many was it? How many countries?
Last year was 30 countries that people flew from. Yeah. This year's 20 so far, from what I know.
But we've still got a lot of tickets to sell.
Yeah, we've still got a lot of tickets to sell.
Not that many. We are
enough.
Yes, we are hoping to sell out again.
Yeah.
Previous 2 years, but touch wood.
What's the feeling on that? Do you think you'll sell out?
Well, we're on track to sell out. Okay. If we carry on, you know, selling how we have been. Our last announcement comes out soon, and that's got some big names in there. So I reckon there's going to be
a wave of people that are excited to see who
very big wave. Just when people thought it couldn't get any bigger, it's getting bigger.
This might be a little bit of a tease, but one of the speakers that is coming, I've been to see them at sold out venues. Like they sell tickets.
They sell thousands
a
show.
So I think it's definitely going to be great for the camp out, and everyone's going to be very excited. People that have already bought tickets are going to be like,
wow, how much can you get from £40? Is what they're going to say.
Exactly. I mean, even if you just look like only at JME, like to see JME live,
£30 to go and see him.
Yeah, exactly. The whole weekend's a bargain.
Workshops as well. There's going to be more interactive things, activism-based things. It's not just going to be about musicians and comedians. It's going to be activism-based.
And we're going to be screening a major upcoming vegan documentary there as well.
Really?
But again,
is that another under wraps part? Yeah.
Yes, it's going to be part of the final announcement. But like I've already seen that there is a lot of hype for this film.
Oh, it's huge.
Yeah. Talking about activism itself, what about your art? I want you to talk a bit about your art.
Yeah, so I'm in the final year of my illustration degree, and after a couple of years of being vegan and not drawing about it, I thought, why aren't I combining these two things? So I've been making activism-based art, so things that can be physically spread around like stickers, and art that is made to be shared online to spread awareness about things. I did a Cowspiracy-inspired illustrated sticker pack, and they actually promoted it on their Instagram. So I got this wave of orders, and they were going like to Texas and Hong Kong.
Oh, that's crazy.
And South Africa. I was like, oh my goodness, this is very.
And are people tagging you in them when they're sticking them up?
Yeah, yes.
That's nice to see.
Really, yeah, it's quite thrilling. But yeah, I've got an Etsy store where I sell like stickers and prints, and hopefully we'll be expanding that in the future and making more and more, and yeah, drawing things to try and change the world, which sounds really corny, but it's the truth.
That's really interesting concept, because I want to work on something for the kind of epi-vegan online thing as well, and maybe we could work together on that. I'd be really interested. I think that'd be really
that's very exciting.
Yeah.
I keep getting brands approach me, like I'll be able to say this because it will be released by the time this video is out, but Heart Cure have
awesome.
collabed with them. Yeah, I did a design for them, which is really like I've loved their brand for ages, and I saw that Earthling did a thing with them, and I was like, oh, that's where I want to be, and they approached me, so I was like, oh yes.
Yeah, that's really nice. And it's nice that, like you say, you can make you're really making a difference with it and getting it out there.
Yeah, I think if you can make work that actually informs people and like invokes emotions, like that's a good combination of things to have. And
you were on the Unilad video about veganism. How many views did that get?
Oh my gosh, well Unilad also approached me, and I collaborated with them to do a series of mini videos that were part of a big documentary called I think it was Meet the End, and it was Cowspiracy inspired again, but yeah, that got millions of views on their Facebook, because obviously they have 33 million followers, but they've just like started pushing vegan things out there, and yeah, I'm also part in another documentary that they're producing, but I can't say what that is. It's going to like it covers something that's very scandalous that happens in the UK that's to do with animal rights, and when 33 million people are exposed to it, it's going to make waves, I think. So,
sounds good.
Yeah, these big platforms, they've got it right, they're helping us out.
Right, I'm going to dish this up. So, how are you feeling about coming on our podcast? You still up for that?
Yeah.
So I've not spoken to anyone else about this, so it's kind of a nice little announcement for myself, really. But I'm going to be setting up a podcast next week, and I really want Jordan to be one of my first guests on there, because me and Jordan, you know, obviously people won't know that like me and Jordan hang out quite a lot, and some of the conversations we have I find really, really interesting. So really looking forward to having a chat with you on that, brother.
It's good to talk about other stuff that's not veganism sometimes, you know, get away from it.
It does occupy a lot of your brain, doesn't it? When you're vegan, it's like, oh, I have other interests.
It does, and I think a lot of vegans, we can get criticised by people a lot because people think that's, you know, the only thing we're interested in and the only thing we want to kind of help change the world about. But ultimately, you know, there's a lot of things that...
We all have opinions before we went vegan too, you know, because none of us have been vegan for all that long, really.
Yeah, in the grand scheme of things, that's crazy. So just so everyone know what I'm making for you guys today. I interviewed Jordan. He's got to be getting on for a year ago now, isn't it?
Yeah, it was straight after last camp out, August, September.
Yeah, and that was where we met, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was August. And Jordan really, you know, he loves his vegan junk food and a nice warm vegan meal. So I felt a little bit guilty really, the fact that I had him on in August. So I thought today I'd make him the cooked version, well, a kind of cooked version of what I made him the first time. I made him a raw lasagna last time, and this time I've decided to make like a pasta version of the lasagna. So I've got a bolognese sauce in there, which will be super tasty. And then I've made a vegan cheese sauce, which again, it's going to be super, super tasty, nice and cheesy, a little bit of raw on top. I'm proud that my friends are doing such awesome things in the community, you know, with both the activism and with the camp out, because it's easy for people to, you know, everyone wants to improve stuff all the time, but not that many people actually get involved and step out there and put themselves out of the comfort zone and get involved with things. So really, you know, top kudos for doing that.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
So, right, tuck in then. I want to, I'm really interested to see what you think of this one.
Okay, I need to get some of this.
I love giving people pasta dishes because it's super hard to eat.
Yeah, look, I'm already flicking it everywhere. Hang on.
Yeah, get that involved and then dip it in a bit of that sauce.
It's coming, it's coming.
Look at that.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah?
I didn't even chew that, it just went like
straight
consumed.
in, absorbed it, didn't even swallow.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah?
How have you made the sauce?
The sauce is literally just soy cream and Sainsbury's vegan cheese.
Oh, right.
Yeah, that's it. Sainsbury's free from range is pretty tasty stuff.
They've got something going right there, haven't they?
Exactly. Yeah.
There's Alpro cream.
Yeah, Alpro soy cream.
Oh my God.
Thank you very much for both being on today. Really, really happy to have you both along. If you've not bought your tickets for Camp Out yet, get out and buy them before it all sells out. I'm really excited for it. I can't wait to come along. And yeah, I'll see you all there. It'd be nice to chill. Vegan scene, yeah?
Lots of good food.
Thanks, man.
Like and subscribe. Check these two out on Instagram. Your Jordan NoFX. And your Instagram is?
Kate Louise Powell.
Kate Louise Powell.
Yeah.
All one word. Happy days. Thanks, friends. Be nice to each other. And goodbye.